Hello guys, welcome to my channel today, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to convert your coins. Maybe either you have a Shiba coin, for example, and you want to convert it to another coin. You want to convert it to USDT or any other coin that is doing well you wish to convert. And these things have been so many questions I'll be getting in my DM. How can I convert my coin? How can I convert? So Binance have a very good feature to convert your coins, no matter the amount of the coin is. So the main thing you have to do is to click on this convert area. Please watch the previous video. Click on the convert area. So once you click there, then you select the particular coin you want to convert. Once you select the particular coin you want to convert, just tap there, you search the particular coin you want to convert. Once you select the particular coin you want to convert, now you select the amount. You put the amount, either you click on maximum or you select the particular amount you want to convert. It all depends on you. Then once you click there, you click on that preview conversation. Once you see the preview conversation, you click on it. Once it shows, then the last phase you will see there is confirm. Once you confirm it, that's all. It will be converted instantly. So that is how to convert your coin very fast. Or the second way you have to do it now is to switch your account to switch it to light. Switch your Binance app to light. So that is how to switch it. Once you click there, you switch it to light. So let's allow it to pop up. So this is how the light view on Binance looks like. Then the next thing you have to click now, you click on the area where this arrow is pointing at right now. Once you tap there, you see convert. That's another way to convert your coins also on Binance. Any type of coin, you can convert it from another coin to another particular coin. So once it's there, so it's the same way. Either you click on maximum if you want to convert, or you select the particular amount of the coin you want to convert to another particular coin, or you click on tap on that area where the coin is and select the type of coin you need. If you have not seen your option, just search on the coin and select it. So that's where we'll be drawing the curtain for today. Please, if this video is helpful for you, please do well to subscribe and share this video. See you in my next video. Bye.